Hello, today I want to go over some of the content options that you have whenever you're working with a CircleSlider. Let's go to the settings. I'm keeping this top CircleSlider with the default settings so we can compare. I'm only making changes to the bottom one. Let's focus on the max value. The default setting has 100, but let's see what happens if we change that to a 10. Let's save and preview. We don't really see any differences right away, but on the default, it goes all the way to 100. On the one where we specify the max value to a 10, we see that we can only reach a 10. This really comes in handy when you require your user to give you a value within a specific scale. In this example, the highest number would only be a 10.